Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And this video is about the series in which I am talking about Excel tips. I have come up with an Excel tip which talk about conditional formatting. This is a very good function that Excel has, especially when you have a data like this that I'm sharing. Like from this is data wherein sales amount month-wise have been given over here, and here you can see the seller's name. So let's assume if I want to understand their performance by just looking at this data, it's not that easy as of now, correct? But if I use conditional formatting, it becomes really easy. So how to do conditional formatting in Excel is select the data, only the data part, and then click on the home tab. Home tab is here, and once you click on home tab, you can select conditional formatting. From here you can select highlight cell rules and just assume if I want to see like in which month they have actually done sales which is more than 5,000. So I will select greater than, and here rather than red, I would always prefer green, because if they have done sales which is more than 5,000, then definitely it should come up as green, isn't it? So I will select green as the color for the sales which have gone past 5,000. So you can see over here, uh, all the cells which had sales more than 5,000 have been highlighted as green over here. And now it becomes very easy for me to actually analyze like who is the best performers quickly by just looking at this data. I can easily identify that Ramesh have done really good job in the sales. He had been consistent. It's just this last month wherein he had done poor performance. Otherwise, he have done really good. So this is how conditional formatting comes handy in analyzing your data quickly. There are a few more useful functions or options in conditional formatting, and some are like data bars. So you can select data bars and it can give you a kind of a heat map of the entire data. So if you let's assume if I select the entire data and under data bars, this blue one, so you can see it actually give you a kind of a heat map of this entire data table. There are color scales. Icon sets is the most preferred kind of option that I use under conditional formatting, because it it gives you the arrow marks depending upon the data that particular cell has. All right, so you can actually use the signs, that is upward arrow, downward arrow, sideways arrows, and you can also set the rules for these icons. Like for example, I had used, and I always prefer using this directional arrows uh, to indicate the value in that particular uh, column. So when value is greater than equal to 80, then it should be upward. So you can actually change the data over here, and accordingly the arrow mark will come up. uh, So, guys, this is how you can use conditional formatting. Please let us know if you have any doubt, or if you have any comments, put it in the comments box. Also, do not forget to share this video to your friends and family. Thank you so much for going through the video. Please subscribe my channel and see you soon in the next video.